Welcome to the channel, kids. Today we will learn about habitat. Definition. A habitat is a place where an organism makes its home. A habitat meets all the environmental conditions an organism needs to survive. Habitat function. The habitat's primary purpose is to provide a setting for the continuance of living things' activities. A role of habitat is a place for survival for living things, a place for living things to grow and develop, a place for breeding, a place for living things to shelter, a place where certain species gather. Types of habitat. There are basically three types of habitat. They are aquatic habitat, terrestrial habitat, and arboreal habitat. Terrestrial habitat. Terrestrial habitats are ones that are found on land, like forests, grasslands, deserts, shorelines, and wetlands. Terrestrial habitats also include man-made habitats, like farms, towns, and cities, and habitats that are under the earth, like caves and mines. Examples: terrestrial habitat. Examples of terrestrial animals include cats, ants, dogs, raccoons, spiders, kangaroos, tigers, lions, mice, bats, bulls, oxen, leopards, elephants, and many more. Aquatic habitat. Habitats whose mode of survival is in water are known as aquatic habitats. The habitats of plants and animals which lives in water are said to live in aquatic habitats. Examples: aquatic habitat. Examples of aquatic animals include fish, jellyfish, sharks, whales, octopuses, barnacles, sea otters, crocodiles, crabs, dolphins, eels, rays, mussels, and so on. Arboreal habitat. Habitats are natural areas in which living things such as plants and animals make their homes. Examples: arboreal animals. Examples of such animals include chameleons, lizards, green tree pythons, tree snails, koalas, squirrels, cats, monkeys, parrots, sloths, and a variety of insects. The end. Thank you. I hope you liked the video, kids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.